This week we're going to learn how to put our money together. We're going to add quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. First we're going to review what the quarter is, what the dime is, what the nickel is, and what the penny is, and how much they're worth. Then we're going to put them all together. We're going to add them up, and we might throw in little surprises too. We might buy some things. But first we got to learn how to add the money together. So let's begin. Since we are going to be learning about our coins and how they add up, let's review how much our coins are. We know that a penny is equal to 1 cent. We count by our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have our nickel, which is worth 5 cents. We count by fives. So let's go to our 100 chart and count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We count by fives with our nickels. Then our dimes. Our dimes are worth 10 cents. So we count by tens. Let's go to our money chart and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. With our dimes, we count by tens. Now we're going to count our quarters. Quarters are worth 25 cents. So now let's go to our 100 chart and count by 25. 25, 50, 75, 100. And that is counting by quarters, by 25 cents. Now let's start using our monies, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters, and add up to buy things, how much we're going to need, how many quarters, how many dimes, how many nickels, how many pennies. We're going to find out how much an item will cost, how much money we need to buy it, and then we're going to add it up. So let's begin. Okay, look at all these items that Miss Jones wants to buy. Now Miss Jones went and got into her piggy bank, so Miss Jones has a lot of change. She has quarters, nickels, dimes, and pennies. Now let's look how much it's going to cost Miss Jones to buy her a soda. It's 86 cents. So let's go to our money chart and look and do our quarters to see how many quarters Miss Jones needs to buy her a soda. 1 quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. Is 50 cents 86 cents? Not yet. So let's keep going. 3 quarters is 75 cents. Is that 86 cents? Not yet. But if Miss Jones puts down 4 quarters, that's $1. That's 100. Is 86 100? Nope, so that's too much money. So let's take this quarter back. So there's 75 cents. We need to get to 86 cents. So let's see how much we need. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cents. Now, think about this. We need 11 cents. How can we make 11 cents? What is our dime worth? Our dime is worth 10 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 85 cents. How much more do we need? We need 1 cent. What coin is worth 1 cent? 1 penny. That is 86 cents. Do I have enough to buy my soda? 86 cents. Yes, I do. So what coins did I use? I used 1, 2, 3 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 penny. That equals 86 cents. Now Miss Jones wants to host a cupcake. Look how much it costs. It costs 49 cents. Let's find out how many dimes, nickels, and pennies Miss Jones needs to buy a Hostess cupcake for 49 cents. Now remember, a dime is 10 cents, so we count by tens. Let's start with our dimes first. 10, 20, 30. Now Miss Jones only has 3 dimes, so that's 30 cents. Do I have enough to buy my cupcake? Not yet. I need 49 cents. So Miss Jones has 2 nickels. So let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 35 cents. Is that enough to buy my cupcake? Not yet. So I have another nickel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 40 cents. Is that enough to buy my cupcake? Not yet. I need how many more cents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Miss Jones has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 pennies. So do I have enough now to buy my cupcake? 49 cents. Let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I have enough money now to buy my cupcake. Now Miss Jones needs to buy a writing pad so she can make notes. She found one and it costs 23 cents. But Miss Jones only has nickels and pennies. How many nickels and pennies am I going to need to buy this writing pad? Let's find out. Now we know nickels are 5 cents, so let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 nickels, but it costs 23, so I need 1, 2, 3. There's 20, 21, 22, 23. So I need 4 nickels and 3 pennies for 23 cents to buy my writing pad. And now Miss Jones needs some glue because she has to fix something. And she looks at a glue bottle and it's 99 cents. Let's find out how we're going to make 99 cents so we can buy this glue. Let's look at our 100 chart. Now Miss Jones has some quarters, some dimes, and some nickels and pennies. She has 2 quarters. 1 quarter is 25. 2 quarters is 50. Now she has to use some of her dimes. Remember, we count by tens, so we have 50. And Miss Jones has 3 dimes. 60, 70, 80. Miss Jones has 2 nickels, so let's count our nickels. We count by fives. We have 80, 85, 90. So we have 90 cents. But our glue costs 99. So how many pennies am I going to have to use? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So Miss Jones used 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 9 pennies. And that equals 99 cents. Now Miss Jones wants to have some fun. She wants to color some pictures. but she has to buy some colors. Now if you look at the colors, they cost 67 cents. Miss Jones has 1 quarter, 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and some pennies. Let's see how much I have to use to buy 67 cents for my colors. So we have 1 quarter, which is 25. And Miss Jones has 3 nickels. So we count by 5s. 30, 35, 40. And Miss Jones has 4 dimes, which we count by 10. 50, 60. Okay, since my colors are 67, I'm not going to need to use all my dimes. So I have 60. How many pennies do I need to make 67? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So Miss Jones used 1 quarter, 1, 2, 3 nickels, 2 dimes, and 7 pennies to make 67 cents. Now Miss Jones wants to play, and she wants to buy some bubbles so she can blow some bubbles. The bubbles are 38 cents. Now Miss Jones has change. She has 2 quarters, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. But how much of that is she going to need to buy the bubbles for 38 cents? Let's find out. We're going to start with our quarter. Now we know a quarter is 25 cents. But she wants to use some of her nickels. So let's use some of our nickels. We count by 5s. 25, 30, 35, and there's 38. So how many pennies am I going to need? 36, 37, 38. So Miss Jones used 1 quarter, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies to make 38 cents so she could buy her bubbles to play. Now Miss Jones wants something to play with besides the bubbles, and she sees a little kitten, but it's 59 cents. This toy is 59 cents. Miss Jones has 3 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. Let's see how much change she's going to use to make 59 cents. So on our number chart, we're going to use our quarters first. So we know 1 quarter is 25, 2 quarters is 50. Now look, here's 55. So let's count by our 5. So I'm going to use 1 nickel. And so how many pennies do I need to make 59? 56, 57, 58, 59. So Miss Jones used 1 2 quarters, 1 nickel, 4 pennies to make 59 cents to buy her toy to play with. Miss Jones showed you on the money chart how you can put your money down to count how much money you need to buy things. When you work on your papers, use your 100 chart, and it'll show you when you put your quarters, your dimes, your nickels, and your pennies, what they can add up to. I love you and I miss you. See you later. Bye.